Andersen.
Well, this feels like a bit of deja vu, but we're going to the junkyard again. Figured I would bring you guys along because we found some AMG goodness that showed up. So, might as well go check it out. Keep you guys in the mix. Now, when there's something this good, such as a M113K car at the junkyard, it's always nerve-wracking hoping that you use and bring all the correct tools, but I think I got a good plethora of options, so should be stocked. M155 it is. It's kind of always the junkyard runner, just because it's easy to throw stuff in the back just in case we do end up scoring something good. And regardless, it'll be fun to check it out. Notice the C55 is the other direction, probably since the last video you guys saw. Finally took it out for a drive yesterday, and it's amazing as always. C43 is actually awaiting some parts, so it's chilling for the time being, and I've been using the C36 as a daily duty. So CLK55 is still in the garage, hoping we can come up with a fix for the oil pan. Alright, anyways, you guys know how this part goes, so I'll catch you once we're there. Alright, you guys, we're in here. See what we find. It's a nice day at least. It was like every type of weather on the way here right now. Crazy rain, hail, then it went back to sunny, so I'm happy about that. See how this thing's looking and see what's being pulled already. Yes. Yes. Alright guys, we're pulling a supercharger and airbox. No way. ECU's already gone. That's okay. Definitely grabbing this. This thing's actually not in bad shape. Oh, did they leave it? They left it? No, those are just modules. Dang it. Got a whole, what is that, tensioner? Modules. Damn, this thing's actually not in too bad a shape. Why? I never know why cars end up here, guys. There's always a story, but these are nice. Door sills. Looks like somebody definitely grabbed the transmission. Alright, I think I'm gonna go grab a cart and get back over here. Seats are super nice. Regular floor mats. Alright, no time to waste. Let's go. So now the C230 here this time. This one's in good shape. Alright guys, air boxes are off, and next up, surge tanks, P30s, and just start going through this little by little. I'm going to kind of rush through this, guys, so I'm not going to be filming much, but I'll show you a little bit here and there. Alright guys, surge tanks are off, going on for the fuel rail now, and we'll move on to the actual supercharger bolts. This thing is covered in rat turds. Sorry, but some of it fell into the motor, so yikes. Alright guys, the supercharger is free, so now I gotta lift this 90 pounds out. I gotta disconnect a few things up here, and then it should be ready to rip out. Alright guys, time to try to get this thing out. Thank you to the I don't know what this is, Saturn Infinity. Dang, all right, she's out, guys. Let me get this situated and we're bouncing. I finally was a lucky one who found it first. I'm gonna take a look at the harness once I get everything off and see if that's salvageable. I see one end of it maybe cut over there, so I don't know if it is, but if it is, it'd be another good thing to grab. So damn, we scored one, you guys. This is crazy. Peter Pan crack. Peter Pan crack. Not bright Kratz. Peter Pan Kratz, looks like. No disrespect, brother. All right, well, let me get this situated. All right, you guys, well, made one last final check on the car. I think that's all she wrote for the most part. I'm not gonna bother with the harness. It's in okay shape. And I mean, I could grab it, but I don't know. I don't think it's worth doing. Well, actually, maybe I should actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab it. All right, you guys, harness secured. It's actually in perfect shape. Didn't mess up any plugs or anything. And we're just making good time because it looks like some rain clouds are coming over above. So let's go ahead and hop out of here. Only had to snip one section. I think this goes down to the alternator, but if you know we end up using this harness, easy to be able to repair that. So I think that's where we left it. Thank you for your donations, sacrifices. Man, overall a really clean car. What a shame. The body's straight. Interesting. Oh, I do want to grab the trunk badges, but I don't think I have any fishing line. Let me see if I can grab them real quick. All right, guys, this is why you always take one more walk around. Look what I found in front of the airbox too. It's just sitting underneath the Subaru over there. That is it. I could grab this, but I don't even run the what's it called, extended style M113K. It's just another place to leak, so I just run the single cap, even though it sits a little bit lower. But yeah, let's dip out of here, guys. What a successful day. Best junkyard day I've had in a long time. Audi people, looks like that's the S4 over there, or a URS6, I can't tell. That looks like a car though, for sure. Definitely gonna check that out. Linwood pick and pull. This thing is out 300 bucks for everything. Last time my buddy pulled one of these in Tacoma, they only charge them for the supercharger. They're a lot cooler down there, but they charged me for everything today. Intake manifold, throttle body, and all the other stuff, airbox and stuff, obviously, but still not bad for what we got. You'd pay 3 times that even used on eBay for everything, so I'm good. Let's get out of here. All right, you guys, loaded up. My back is got a good workout today. All right, you guys, we're out of here. Shout out to Voody, I just met him. He was sitting there right in there in a Ram, if you guys saw the truck sitting there as we were pulling up, but he just said what's up, and I was like, oh hey. He said he recognized the M155 and me from the channel, so funny. A couple times I ran into a few of you guys now, but we were just chopping it up. We had some M156 things going on, and we were talking about that whole experience. So yeah, we're heading out, guys. If you guys ever see me somewhere out in the world, feel free to talk to me. I'm just a regular dude. So yeah, it was cool chopping it up with him for a little bit, and I told him hit me up if he's got any questions as he goes. And I was sharing the real down low on the whole ML63 M156 rebuild process. So yeah, that's it. Good day. It's getting sunny again. I'm stoked. I got everything. Even 300 bucks for everything that I got is a steal in my book. So I'll take it, and I'll catch you guys back at home. All right, you guys, back at the proving grounds. Go ahead and get this thing out of here. Set up in the garage. I got the garage cleaned a little bit, but not anywhere where it needs to be, near where it needs to be. So I got some more sorting to do, so I'm gonna throw this thing on the ground for now and then keep going through all this mess. At least we got the wheels cleared out. We're close, but still gonna take some work to get another car in here. And obviously once the CLK is done, get it out of here, or at least park it a little sideways so we got some more room. But yeah, now goes the fun part of lugging this thing into the garage. I'm so buff. Not really. This, guys, honestly, is probably one of the most crucial pieces I picked up today, because if we do ever want to put the supercharger on the C55, we're gonna need one of these. Big time. All right, guys. Well, pretty much does it right there. I got some organizing to do. As in the last video as well, I was doing the same thing. I'm trying to slowly sort through it, guys, but there is a lot going on. I do not keep myself without busyness, that's for sure. It's crazy, but I don't know. It's kind of how I operate, and it's kind of how I've been able to do all this stuff with all the cars. It's just, I'm a busy bee, and I like constant projects with my downtime instead of spending time, you know, not doing anything or stagnant. So any moment I get, come out and wrench, pretty much. So there it is, guys. Another great day in the books. Appreciate you all for joining me on the little journey. Shout out to you again, Voody, for meeting me at the pick and pull. It's nice meeting you, brother. And catch you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. As always, peace.